Welcome to day 19 of your meditation journey. Today, we'll focus on cultivating balance and harmony in both your mind and body. Life often pulls us in many directions, but within us lies the ability to create a sense of steadiness and flow. Let's take this time to center ourselves and nurture a feeling of balance. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting upright or lying down. Let your hands rest gently on your knees or by your sides. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's repeat that 2 more times. Inhale deeply, drawing in calm. And exhale fully, letting go of tension. 1 more time. Inhale. And exhale. Now, allow your breathing to settle into a natural rhythm. With each breath, notice how your body feels. Feel the weight of your body as it connects with the surface beneath you. You are supported. You are safe. You are here. Take a moment to imagine a scale within you, perfectly balanced. On one side are your thoughts and emotions, and on the other is your physical presence, your body. If the scale feels uneven, simply observe it. No need to judge. With each breath, imagine the scale becoming more balanced, a steady harmony between mind and body. As you breathe in, say to yourself silently, I invite balance. And as you exhale, say, I release tension. Let's repeat this for a few breaths together. Inhale. I invite balance. Exhale. I release tension. Now, picture yourself standing in the middle of a serene forest or garden. Around you, there is perfect harmony. The trees sway gently in the breeze. The sunlight filters softly through the leaves, and the sounds of nature hum in the background. Feel this balance around you, and imagine it flowing into you. The harmony of nature becomes your harmony. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to this place of balance. Know that you can return here anytime you feel off-center. This is your inner sanctuary, a place of calm, balance, and connection. Take a moment to reflect on what balance feels like in your life. Is there an area where you can invite more harmony? Simply observe this thought without judgment, trusting that clarity will come with time. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Wiggle your fingers and toes, grounding yourself in this moment. Take 1 more deep breath in, and exhale completely. Slowly open your eyes, returning to your surroundings. Take a moment to notice how you feel, more balanced, more grounded, and more in tune with yourself. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, cultivating balance is a practice, and each small step you take brings you closer to harmony. Carry this sense of steadiness with you into your day. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for the next meditation in your journey. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.